Forget frosty snowmen and jingling sleighs. Christmas in Africa is a festival of sunshine, rhythm, and flavor. Picture palm trees wrapped in twinkling lights, children singing carols in vibrant native languages, and families feasting on jollof rice while drums echo through the night. This isn't just Christmas. In Africa, Christmas is a time of joy and celebration, filled with vibrant traditions and warm gatherings. Families come together to share meals, sing songs, and exchange gifts, creating a festive atmosphere that is hard to resist. The spirit of giving is strong, as people often donate to those in need, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the holiday season. In many communities, colorful decorations adorn homes, and the scent of delicious food fills the air, inviting everyone to join in the festivities. This unique blend of cultural practices makes Christmas in Africa a truly special time. One of the highlights of Christmas in Africa is the feast that families prepare. Traditional dishes vary from region to region, but they often include rice, meat, and a variety of vegetables. In some areas, people enjoy a special dish called jollof rice, which is a flavorful rice cooked with tomatoes and spices. Families gather around the table, sharing stories and laughter as they enjoy the delicious food. This communal meal not only nourishes the body, but also strengthens the bonds between family members and friends. Music and dance are integral parts of the Christmas celebration in Africa. Many families sing traditional carols, often in their native languages, adding a unique twist to the familiar tunes. The rhythm of drums and the sound of clapping hands create an infectious energy that encourages everyone to join in. Dancing is a way to express joy and gratitude, and it often brings people of all ages together. These musical traditions not only entertain but also pass down cultural heritage from one generation to the next. In many African cultures, Christmas is not just a family affair. It is a community celebration. Neighbors come together to share in the festivities, often organizing events such as street parties or community feasts. This sense of togetherness fosters a spirit of unity and support among community members. People take the time to visit one another, exchanging greetings and well wishes, which strengthens the social fabric of the community. Such gatherings remind everyone of the importance of friendship and cooperation. Gift giving during Christmas in Africa is a cherished tradition that symbolizes love and appreciation. While some families may exchange expensive gifts, many focus on the thought behind the gift rather than its value. Handmade items such as crafts or baked goods are often given, showcasing creativity and personal touch. Children eagerly await the arrival of Santa Claus, who is often depicted in local attire, making the experience relatable and exciting. This practice of giving reinforces the values of kindness and generosity. For many Africans, Christmas holds deep religious significance, celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. Church services are an essential part of the holiday, where families gather to sing hymns and listen to sermons. The atmosphere in churches is filled with joy and reverence, as people reflect on the message of hope and love that Christmas brings. Many communities also organize special events, such as nativity plays, to share the story of Jesus' birth with younger generations. This spiritual aspect of Christmas enriches the overall celebration. Christmas celebrations in Africa can vary greatly from one region to another, reflecting the continent's rich diversity. In some areas, people may incorporate local customs and traditions into their Christmas festivities. For example, in Ethiopia, Christmas is celebrated on January 7th, and the day is marked with a special church service followed by a feast. In South Africa, Christmas falls during the summer, allowing for outdoor celebrations and barbecues. These variations highlight the unique ways in which different cultures embrace the holiday. Family is at the heart of Christmas celebrations in Africa. It is a time when relatives, both near and far, come together to reconnect and strengthen their bonds. Many people travel long distances to be with their loved ones, making the holiday a special occasion for family reunions. Sharing stories, laughter, and memories creates a sense of belonging and love that is cherished by all. This emphasis on family during Christmas reinforces the values of loyalty and support that are vital in African cultures. Storytelling is a powerful tool used during Christmas to teach values and share experiences. Elders often gather children around to tell stories about their own Christmas memories or traditional tales that highlight the importance of kindness, generosity, and community. These stories not only entertain but also serve as lessons for the younger generation, helping them understand the significance of the holiday. Through storytelling, cultural heritage is preserved, and the spirit of Christmas is passed down. As Christmas comes to an end, it is a time for reflection and gratitude. Many people take a moment to appreciate the blessings they have received throughout the year. This period encourages individuals to set intentions for the coming year, focusing on personal growth and community support. The lessons learned during the holiday season often inspire people to carry the spirit of Christmas into their daily lives, promoting kindness and compassion. In this way, the essence of Christmas continues to thrive long after the celebrations are over. Love this story? Hit like and subscribe to English Through African Stories for more joyful journeys into culture, language, and tradition. Thank you for listening and see you in the next real-life video.